pull-up series where I'm going to go through all the progressions from basic row techniques all the way up to be able to do chin-ups and pull-ups. Okay, so we're starting off with the basic rows. And there is other alternatives to these using things like dumbbells and weight machines, but if we're going into pull-ups, we're just going to get used to using the bodyweight exercise, so bodyweight variations. So first one is having just any sort of TRX or straps or even gymnastics rings. Okay, so hands against the chest. We're going to walk the feet. So depending on how far the feet go forward, so the closer you are to the ground, the more resistance that's going to be on. Okay, because you're going to have a stronger pull from gravity. Okay, so starting off, just going to lie back. So my knuckles are forward, palms are down. Now, I'm keeping the body aligned, so my abs are tight. You can see when I brace the abs, I go into that hollow body position. So the hollow body position, the same as when we were doing the push-ups. And also check out the video on core stability and core activation. Okay, so from this position, when I row, we're going to move the body as one unit. And you can see I turn the hands 45 degrees, bringing my chest to my hands. I'm not trying to stand all the way up. So even here, I'm still under tension. Okay, so inhale, brace, up and exhale. And I'm still under tension. Inhale, going back. Brace, up and exhale. As I said, to make it harder, you just walk the feet forward. So the closer you are to the ground, the harder it's going to be. And again, we're not looking to stand up, we're just bringing the chest to the hands. Okay? A little bit harder variation with grip is to have your two hands supinate. So palms to the ceiling and hold them together. Okay? So find your position, hands against the chest, lie back. So I'm bringing the hands together, keeping the abs tight, glutes are locked, brace, chest to hands. Inhale, going back, brace, chest to hands. Okay? And follow on from that then is what's known as down unders. So using a barbell. So we're going to go pronated grip. So palms facing away from you. Roughly about shoulder width apart. Okay, starting off, we're going to have our feet flat and our hips are up. But we don't just have our hips up any height. We want to make sure that our knee, our hip, and our shoulder are in line. Okay? So I'm actually going to feel like I'm on a decline. So you can see my head is probably slightly below the level of my knees. Okay? And from here, we're going to pull. Now, when I pull here, you can see the bar, my neck is coming up to the bar. So I'm going to have to move back this way slightly because I want to be hitting the center of the sternum, or if you think of your nipple line, just slightly higher than the nipple line off the bar. Again, brace, pause, inhale, going back. Okay, to make it a little bit harder, you walk the feet out onto the heels. Okay, now from this and onto the following pull-up videos, there is some regressions that you can do here as well. Okay, so one of them is just going eccentric. Okay, so what we do is we get ourselves up to the bar, nice and comfortable here, feet out, and then slowly back. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring the feet in. Bring yourself up to the bar, feet out, slowly back. Okay? Maybe put something for your feet so they're not going to be slipping like mine. Okay, so try it out. Any questions, just leave them in the comments.